We must be able very carefully, hesitantly, with great observation, understand together what is happening both out there and inwardly. The inward psychological activity always overcomes the outer. However much you may have regulations, sanctions, decisions outwardly, lay down certain rules, regulations, all these are shattered by our psychological desires, fears, anxieties, the longing for security, the fear of loneliness. Unless we understand all of that, however much we may have outward semblance of order, that inward disorder always overcomes that which is outwardly conforming, disciplined, regularized. I hope we understand this clearly. One may have carefully constructed institutions, politically, religiously, economically, whatever the construction of these be, unless our inward consciousness is in total order, that disorder will always overcome the outer. We have seen this historically. It is happening right now in front of our eyes. This is a fact. So, there's a good old train. That train is as regular as we come here. It's quite amusing, isn't it? There's a great deal of humor in this. But we won't go into that for the moment. So please, be serious even for this hour. If you cannot be serious all the time, at least go into being serious while you are here. As we said, the turning point is in our consciousness. Our consciousness is a very complicated affair. Volumes have been written about it, both in the East and in the West. We are not aware of our own consciousness. And to examine that complicated consciousness, one has to be free to look, to be choicelessly aware of its movement. And that's what we're going to do together. when we use the word together, it is not that the speaker is directing you to look at it in a particular way, or to listen to all the movement, inward movement of our consciousness. We are together looking at consciousness, which is not yours or mine, theirs or his. Consciousness is common to all mankind. All mankind, whether they live in the Far East or Near East, West, or in the Far West, that consciousness, with all its content, is common to all mankind. When you go to India or the Far East, there they suffer inwardly as well as outwardly as here. They're anxious, uncertain, utterly despairingly lonely, as you are here. They have no security, jealous, greedy, envious, suffering. And as in the West, it is the same thing. So human consciousness is one whole, is not your consciousness or mine. It is the consciousness of humanity. Please understand this. It is logical, sane, rational. Because wherever you go, in whatever clime you live, whether you are affluent or degradingly poor, whether you believe in God or in Christ or some other entity, the belief, the faith is common to all mankind. The picture may vary. The image may be different. The symbol may be totally different from another. But that is common to all mankind. This is not a mere verbal statement. If you take it as a verbal statement, as an idea, as a concept, then you will not see the depth of it, the deep significance involved in this. The significance is that your consciousness is the consciousness of all humanity. Because you suffer, you're anxious, you're lonely, insecure, confused, exactly like another who lives 10,000 miles away from you. The realization of it, the feeling of it, the feeling in your guts, if I may use that word, is totally different from mere verbal